Successful project management requires more than just a solid plan. It also demands diligent tracking of dynamic information that emerges throughout the project lifecycle. Certain dedicated documents help us manage uncertainties, address problems as they arise, and capture valuable knowledge for future endeavors. These documents are essential tools for maintaining control and promoting continuous improvement. Today, we will delve into 3 such critical project documents: the assumptions log, the issue log, and the lessons learned register. Understanding their purpose, content, and how they interact will significantly enhance your ability to manage projects effectively and prepare for your Certified Associate in Project Management exam. We will explore each one in detail, clarifying its unique role. First, let us examine the assumptions log. An assumption is an unproven statement that is believed to be true for planning purposes. For example, you might assume that a specific software license will be approved by a certain date, or that a key team member will be available for a particular task. Project managers make assumptions to proceed with planning in the face of incomplete information. The purpose of the assumptions log is to formally document all project assumptions. This log helps track these assumptions, assess their validity, and monitor them for potential risks should they prove to be false. It is vital to note that an assumption differs from a constraint, which is a known limitation or restriction already established. For instance, a budget limit is a constraint, while the belief that a vendor can meet that budget is an assumption. The assumptions log typically includes the assumption statement, its owner, its status, and the potential impact if the assumption is proven incorrect. It also often includes any mitigation actions planned to address the risk if the assumption fails. Regularly reviewing and updating this log ensures that the project team is aware of these underlying beliefs and can react quickly if they change. Next, we turn our attention to the issue log, sometimes called an issue register. An issue is a problem or conflict that has already occurred or is certain to occur, requiring active management to resolve. Unlike risks, which are uncertain future events, issues are current realities that demand immediate attention. For example, if a critical software component fails to arrive, that is an issue, not a risk. The primary purpose of the issue log is to capture, track, and manage all identified project issues from their discovery through to their resolution. This systematic approach ensures that no problem is overlooked and that accountability for resolution is clearly assigned. Without an issue log, problems can easily fall through the cracks, leading to project delays and cost overruns. An issue log typically records essential details such as a unique identifier for the issue, a clear description of the problem, its priority, who is responsible for resolving it, the current status, and the date it was opened and closed. It may also include a resolution plan and target dates. Maintaining this log fosters transparency and facilitates communication about ongoing challenges. Finally, we have the lessons learned register. This document is a repository for knowledge gained during a project, detailing both successes and failures. It captures insights that can improve future projects or contribute to the organization's overall process assets. For example, if a new communication strategy significantly improved team collaboration, that is a valuable lesson learned. The purpose of the lessons learned register is to promote continuous improvement by documenting what worked well, what did not work well, and why. This knowledge is then made available to other projects and teams within the organization. It is a crucial tool for organizational learning and helps prevent repeating past mistakes while replicating successes. The lessons learned register generally includes categories such as what was planned, what actually happened, the variances and their causes, the impact, and recommendations for future projects. It should be updated throughout the project lifecycle, not just at the end. Collecting lessons learned continuously ensures that relevant information is captured while it is still fresh in everyone's mind. These 3 documents, the assumptions log, the issue log, and the lessons learned register, are fundamental for any project manager. They provide structured ways to deal with uncertainty, problems, and organizational learning. By actively managing assumptions, resolving issues, and capturing lessons, you contribute significantly to project success and the maturity of your organization's project management practices. In our next lecture, we will explore the different types of project plans, registers, and baselines, and discuss which of these documents are subject to formal change control.